Hi, this is Ethan Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 1995 Toyota RAV4 stock number 6573. It's run from the 7th 94 to the 10th 97. It has a 3 SFE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 3 SFE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.